Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to show you how to switch silent mode on this device. So to switch silent mode, you can just go to the upper bar and here just tap on this button. Okay, so no upper bar, forget about it. Tap on the one of the volume buttons and this volume slider menu appear, and here you can just tap on this button and switch modes. You have the silent mode, the volume mode, like the vibration mode, and that's how you can switch these modes. Very easy. That's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.